What is up, guys?
What up, YouTube?
Yo, yeah, so
we back.
We're on our way right now to Clarkston, Michigan for Corvettes of America, representing our boys, MRT.
Yep.
You already know.
Show them the shirt.
So we're gonna go there, have a good time. I gotta fly a drone for them, get some footage.
Yep.
And
I'm useless basically, guys. I get to just enjoy the show.
You my driver right now, though, so you know.
Uber!
Hey. All right, but yeah, so we'll probably do a walk around of some of the cars there just for our own video, stuff like that.
If it turns out to be a dope show, we'll make a video on it.
Yeah.
But if it's a bunch of grandpas low key, we ain't making a video.
It's Corvettes of America.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be
a lot of retired people.
Yeah. We'll see.
But all right, guys. So we'll see you there. What? Oh, okay. It just ended. I was gonna say
we've been sitting here
we've been sitting by this train for so long. We're supposed to be here at 11. It's 10:33. Our arrival time now says 11:16. So.
Fucking tits.
Yep. But we're gonna get there regardless. So.
All right. Cook.
We gonna get flying.
All right, guys. We made it.
So we're here at the Corvettes of America show. Go ahead, show them.
I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. We made it, guys. There are a lot of Corvettes here. But we're not at the MRT booth right now because they're playing music over there. So, copyright. Copyright.
You already know.
But we just wanted to check in, let you guys know we made it. The drone's about to go up in a minute.
So after that, then we'll do a walk around, show the cars, and maybe if I can get some of the footage from the drone flight.
Oh yeah, we'll throw it in here too. Yep. So now, guys, I guess I'll see you when we pick the camera up. Alright, guys, this might go in the video, it might not, depends on the music. But we got, hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm gonna show you what Dan's doing with the drone. Not bad. Alright. I gotta disturb the video, but it's alright.
We gotta get the link again.
So yeah, we're getting the link. Once it's up, guys, video will continue. Alrighty, guys. Dan just went up. How was that, Dan? How was that?
It was alright. It was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, so, I'm about to go up again. Do a little bit different this time, maybe a little bit lower. Get some nice shots of everything. Yeah. But for that was crispy. That was an overall shot of, everything. So, going across all the cars, decently high up, and then one really tall shot. Like close to 150, 200 feet, looking at everything. So.
Yeah, but now he's about to go into sport mode,
I ain't gonna do all that. It's their drone. I don't
yeah, that's facts.
But
we're gonna
I'm gonna do some real nice shots.
We're gonna try to get them some good shots because that's kind of why we're here. But
check out all the Corvettes.
You guys can see.
There's a lot more than it actually looked when we first got here.
Yeah. So, and this one's got Lambo doors. No joke.
And there's a Corvette limo.
There is a Corvette limo. Yeah.
A gigantic Corvette limo over there. So.
Man, that's dope, low-key.
Right?
But all right, guys, we're gonna really try to get that drone footage.
Oh yeah,
it actually looks sweet. Yeah. It looks sweet.
We want to use it on our channel too, so we'll talk to MRT and Scott about that. So
see if we can get some of that footage.
Right.
Well, back to the cinematics.
All right, let's get back to it.
With the speed of sound, tonight we all are crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Driving on the highway. Flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow us down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all are crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Driving on the highway. Blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat.
Dan, what's to your left right now?
Guys, we have the all-new 2020 Corvette mid-engine, and I don't know what orange they call that. It's the C8. But I don't know
Sebring
what-
orange, maybe from the ZR1.
Yep.
Guys, we're not
The
Chevy
new-
guys. We don't know this type of stuff.
Yeah, I don't
Do know it's a
too much.
Corvette,
I
mid-engine.
know it's the LT1,
Yep, Stingray.
and it's a dual clutch now.
Dual clutch.
No manual option as far as I know.
It's got the red burgundy interior.
Oh man, the windshield's
That's state-of-the-art windshield crack. You know that comes factory.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's check out the back. Let's look at how aggressive the back is.
It actually looks way better in person, guys.
It does. I always thought the exhaust tips looked small on every photo, but you guys look. That's decently sized. Yeah. Manufacturer plate.
The engine and all that's
Of
covered.
course, you still got some of the camo wrap to hide everything. Even though they kind of already told us what it is.
They already revealed everything, so don't really understand. But this is it.
Not the Z06. Check it out.
Check it out.
Let's get the interior. Look at the interior color too.
That can be paint matched.
Yeah. Look at the
I don't even know if you can tell with the glares.
Yeah, you can. Look at that.
Look at that steering wheel, guys.
That actually looks bad in person.
That actually looks pretty good. The steering
That
wheel is
color
dope.
interior though, that burgundy.
Burgundy is nice. I wouldn't do the burgundy and the orange combo, but it is what it is.
It's a different combo. I like that.
Look at these brakes on the back.
Yep. You got the regular brake, then
4
the e-brake
piston Brembos in the
caliper.
back, yeah, and the e-brake caliper. Probably 6 piston Brembos up front.
Yep.
They're just
No
not,
lettering.
obviously, they don't have any manufacturer names on them right now.
Right. 245/35 R20s for the tires. For the front, anyways. Back's probably a little wider.
This is it, guys.
I think there is a chin spoiler option that it is missing, but it looks really aggressive.
Would you buy one, Dan?
GT500.
Oh, you heard it here first.